Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump memuji sosok Presiden Prabowo sebagai seorang pemimpin tangguh dan dihormati dunia. Apresiasi tersebut disampaikan di hadapan para pemimpin dunia dan tokoh internasional dalam kegiatan Inaugural Meeting Board of Peace yang digelar di Washington DC, Amerika Serikat.
Very much. Indonesia. It's a great country. And we say it lovingly too. We need strength. He's he doesn't mind. He's tough and he's smart. He's smart as a man that I really like a lot he's definitely tough. I don't want to fight him. President Prabowo of Indonesia, thank you very much. Please, this is a big guy. I tell you, I said, how many people in Indonesia? He said like 240 million. I said, no, say it again. How many? It's a big country you have. And you do a great job and respected by everybody. And thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much, Mr. President.